So again, it says the function f of x is given by the table of values. If f of x is shifted down 5 units to obtain g of x, which table of values would represent the function g of x? So let's create a table of values. So I'm taking my time so you guys have time to copy and write stuff down. And this is also very relaxing. All right, so to fill out this table, the x values do not change. So this will be 1, 2, 3. We got to do 4 and 5, or just 4. So let me do this real quick. And so 4. So now g of x is just going to be this value minus 5, right? Because we're going 5 units down. So really, g of x is equal to f of x minus 5. That's what going down 5 will do. So 5 minus 5 is what? 0. What's 7 minus 5? We're just going to subtract those. 7 minus 5 is 2. What's 11 minus 5? 6. And what's 19 minus 5? 14. And that is basically it.